So on the map here, that's loop 1, which we did from here and went around last time. So basically I've got to get to there, and you can see loop 2 is quite a lot bigger than loop 1. Look, I'm on my own, and I have brought a phone with me. That's the best I can do. Being that there's the telecommunication towers in this park, you'd expect that there'll be pretty good reception. There we go. My start of the loop 2. Call it yellow or orange track. I think last time I came through here, I hit a dead end for me. Big log right over the bloody track, which made it hard to get around. Nailed it. No doubt about you, Jace. What other surprises are in store on this track now? Oh, that's a bit steeper. Oh, a bit of mud. Just trying to keep it slow in the mud because I don't want mud all over the rear camera. Now it's saying to go, look at that, the arrow's saying left. Charlie Rock. We're still on the right loop, loop 2, yellow, orange, whatever. Yeah, Z bottom's out on the underside of that, so if it does, I know this will. And that one as well. Over the logs. Can still have fun just being out here. If something happens, that ain't going to be fun. Alright. Gut feeling, this section's going to be uphill, then downhill, then uphill, and then mostly down, I reckon. Gut feeling, I really don't know. I do know there's a big hill in that direction. Dirt's done it, I haven't. Yeah, so-called hill. It's not too far down this track. Here it is. This one needs a walk. Hope you're ready for this, Mr. Beater. No, you're not. Oh, well, it wasn't pretty, but I did it. Yeah. I'll get over. No traffic, sweet. Here we go. Let's keep rolling. Oh. Nice section once you get to know it, I guess. You'll know that where you can go a bit quicker and where you can't. Oh, this section's quite nice. It's not too close with the trees. I just don't know it all well enough really yet to know when to give it a bit of gas and when to really sort of take it easy. Running 9.3 I think on the front is what the pressure said. I don't think I'll be log hopping that. Not till my skills improve, eh? This is a really fun track. Oh, that was cool. Go, where are we going? Says that way. Alright, wish me luck. Another tree trying to close hang out. Close line ya. Hell yeah, hell yeah, Xtrainer. That was a little bit on the sketch side. Happy with that for an outcome. I'm still here, aren't I? Oh, you can see that's quite simple to get over, like to go over. Coming this way down to that hill section, which is just there. Gosh, this is steep, man. I should have gone that way, but I would have dead set got stuck on that for sure. There was a guy just running through with a couple of dogs a second ago. So hopefully he was moving along pretty quickly. Hopefully his dogs don't go crazy. Good. Now what the hell am I doing? Going down and up. Bloody hesitating. Okay, get down and up and right, eh? Then down into the creek bed. Then what? Am I going up? I guess I am. Then I'll follow the creek bed along, eh? I hope this is right. Oh yeah, there's a sign there. That's nice and handy. Wow. Oh, this is that rocky one, eh? I've done it going uphill. Don't know how I'm going to go going down it. Too steep. Very rocky. I think everything's eroded a little bit since those times. Yeah, like even this track. Oh yeah. Oh well, I did that. This track I've done going the other way. They've all been done going the other way. Suppose you got to get used to them going both ways anyway, eh? We're dropping in. Oh yeah, this is a tree we did coming the other way. So now I've got a couple of logs coming up. There's one. Sweet. I'm good to go. Alright. I'm not sure what this one entails either. Oh yeah, this is switchbacks. Don't like the right hand turns. Left-handed doesn't bother me so much. It's not going to look pretty. Oh, they got this log. Oh, glad I got a bass plate. Oh yeah. And there we go. Yeah, that's where I started. Right there, where I started. Remember, that was that little log. Thanks for watching Loop 2. If you liked it, be sure to check out Loop 1 vid, and Loop 3 won't be far away. Cheers, Uru. And I'm glad I went out when I did. She's raining now.